it comes to soup, this is my new baby. I love this thing. You see, it's a blender that cooks. And I bought this for under $100. I think it's really amazing. Now, usually when I'm making soup, I'm not making any one particular recipe. This morning, as I went through my salad vegetables, I looked to see what I had. I had a sweet potato, I had some eggplant, I've got some zucchini and some cauliflower. I've got some raw potatoes in here. They will cook better when they are small, even pieces, but I don't have to chop them. And really, that was enough to get it nice and small. It's going to cook really evenly. And here goes, I have to open the Ziploc bag. This, by the way, is a perfect use. If you have Ziploc bags that you've used in the freezer and they are not quite perfectly watertight, perfect thing to put your vegetables in, getting ready for your soup. So, this is like a vegetable medley. I already have some water in there. You can use water, you can use broth that you've had before, you can use tomato juice. Usually you want to add some kind of seasoning. I'm going to add some, actually meant for a barbecue rub, and a little salt and pepper, but you can just call me grease. Adjust that later. Okay, so what we're going to do is put on the top, and all I have to do is hit soup and start, and I walk away. I'm done. Oh yeah. Okay, it's all done. I didn't have to do a thing. It beeps at me and tells me that it's done. And the nice thing is, if you don't get right back to it right away, it has a keep warm setting, and it won't burn on the bottom because every few seconds it just gives it a little turn. It has two settings. Now I like my soup chunky, so this has the pieces still in there, or you can have it so that when it's completely done, it will puree it and make it a cream soup, like butternut squash soup kind of thing. And we're ready to serve it now, except I want to add one thing. I was trying to wait to have it, you see, give it one more stir, but there you go. See, it'll do that. Doesn't make it mushy, just keeps it from burning. Okay, now I'm going to turn this on, off by putting it, and I'm going to, I like stewed tomatoes, okay? And you don't have to put the tomatoes in ahead of time because of the fact that they're all cooked. And you can have a greater volume with this. Now you can add deli chicken to this, or this is really good. This is falafel. It's a chickpea patty that is just delicious. You can just microwave it, and I'm going to put the soup in. You will vary this with the different vegetables you put in it, so it's never quite the same. You can vary it whether you use broth or milk or chicken or beef, or a good way to use leftovers. And you've got, if you are especially doing something like when I'm doing Photoshop, I lose track of time. If you're gaming with your friends, you don't have to watch this. It's all takes care of itself, and then when it's ready to pause, you can have your soup.
Ooh, that's good soup.